Hello and welcome. So, lots of people are very concerned about their practice closing. How do they maintain continuity of care? Possibly, how do they maintain the ability for patients to contact them and interact with them whilst they're at home? So, this is my first run through, rough draft of doing a video consultation, how to create it, how to schedule it, how to have the scheduling set up so that patients can book times that they can then access a video consultation with you, possibly taking payment as well for that consultation that can be accessed from anywhere. So you can access from the practice, from home, or anywhere that you've got access to a computer with a camera and microphone. So I'm going to dive straight in here, and you need to go, well, this is one way of doing it. Go to calendly.com. So calendly.com and create an account. It's free. So go to calendly.com, create an account. Once you've created an account, we need to create a new type of event. So we're going to create a one-on-one event, and we're going to call this a video consult. We can leave the location clear. We can create a description, time to chat with us. You know, I'm putting this in as a rough example. You can put this in however you want, but put a good description in there. And we've then got an event link, which will be as video consult. Pick a color for that and click next. What you are then going to do is to say, when are we going to do that? So I've spoken with one practice, and what they're thinking of doing is to split the new patient consultation in half, to do half over video, get the initial inquiry dealt with, and then say we will do the other half when the practice reopens. I think that's a great idea. So we go for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want, possibly 15 minutes, and then say which days of the week are we going to have this done. So you might want to zone your appointment. You might say you're only going to do them between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m., for example. Apply to all days, so you can select which days you're going to have that on. Click apply, and there we go. So that is now created for all of those days. We're then going to click next. So we've got when people can book that, and we're then going to put in the invitee questions. So we might want to add a new question. What is your concern? For example, we can click apply. We may want to put in phone number, for example. Click apply, save and close. Confirmation page, we can leave that as it is. Now you can take payments, but in order to take payments, you will need to upgrade an account, and the account will be, well, as you can see on the screen there, $15 per month. Put your credit card in. So that's if you want to take payments. We can leave that if we don't want to take payments. So we're going to save and close. What we also need to do here is to go to integrations. So we need to get the video side of this integrated. And we're going to click on Zoom. Now you will notice here that due to the global impact, they are allowing access to Zoom for free. So all you do is connect Zoom, and you will need to create a Zoom account. So I've already done that. I have created a Zoom account. I've created a Zoom account for free. And Zoom here, a basic account, you can hold meetings of up to 40 minutes, which is absolutely fine for what we want here. So once we've integrated, we can manage the integration. So I'm currently connected. So now we have got integrations with Zoom into that meeting. So in the section where it says add location, we do Zoom web conference. We can fill in all the rest of the details. We can save and close. So let's test that. So we're going to book in here. So I'll book in for 11:30, confirm. I'll go with this one here. I'm going to change my email address here, test, schedule event, and away that goes. So we can then add to calendar. We can add that to, so this is the user. They can add to their own calendar, to Outlook, or to another. What that user will then see, they will then receive an email. Obviously, this will be from your practice name. Your video consult with the dental practice at 11:30 is scheduled. So time to chat with us. That's what we put in the description. This is the Zoom web conference. You can join this meeting from your computer. All the person will need to do is to click in here, and they will, if they haven't already added it to their calendar, they can add it to their calendar. When you log into Calendly, you can see scheduled events, and you can see I've scheduled those 2 events with myself there. Those events can also then be exported, so you can export all of those details, all of the patient's name, all the contact details, and then import them into any system you like. So, sorry, that's a bit rushed and thrown together, but I hope you can see there how you may be able to create a video consultation. Just to show you again on the screen here, once you've got this on here, you can copy the link, and you can also add to your website. So you can embed it in line. You can continue, you can take this code and embed that code into your website so that it appears on the website permanently. Or you may also want to copy the link so that when you can just put a link on your website which says book a video consultation. When they click on it, it takes them straight through to this link, and the web conferencing details provided upon confirmation, so then patients can book directly from that link. So there's a couple of ways. You can either integrate the form into the website, or you can just integrate a link into the website and take it from there. I'm formulating this as I go along. Never done this before, but they are my first findings. Happy to help in any way I can. Bye.